Hey, I'm Kyle from the Aribi team, and I'm here to show you how to drive better marketing results for your business. First, go to Aribi.io and connect to your site for free. Once connected, Aribi automatically captures everything your visitors do, zero manual work. You can build funnels in seconds, pinpoint exactly where and why your visitors get lost. Aribi tells you in plain English if your blog drives sales, or if visitors to the pricing page are more likely to create an account. Follow individual visitors throughout your site, see exactly what they do and how long it takes them, and learn why some converts and others don't. With Aribi, it takes a single button click to build more powerful lookalikes and retargeting campaigns. Our users have cut their acquisition costs in half and doubled their conversion rates. Instead of putting your ad budget into a million different channels, Aribi tells you which ones are actually worth your money. So, what are you waiting for? Go to Aribi.io and get clear insights for your marketing today.